Hey Curly, so I have something a bit different for you today. So I actually have been totally obsessed with makeup. So I have been dying to get my hands on like some really bright pigmented eyeshadow. As like a woman of color, it is kind of hard to find a cheap bright pigmented color that shows up as pigmented without putting like a quadrillion layers on. So for myself, I said that I was going to go on Sephora's website to find a really nice palette. And so what I found actually was this Huda Beauty Gemstone Obsessions. They come out really, really nice. This is the packaging. The packaging is super cute. And then I'll go ahead and open it up. So inside, mine is a little messy. Inside you have all of the colors, and then you also have a mirror so you can like apply your makeup. And the colors are actually pretty pigmented. So I use the Gemstone Obsessions for this look here. And I do have a demo of how I got this look, just so you can see how it applies on and how pigmented the colors come out without a lot of having to build the color up a lot. So I use 4 different colors for this look. I use these 4 right here, which I'll show you in the video, but it came out really nice. The colors look really good. It has a really nice shimmer to it. It went on really well. It does have a lot of pigmentation. I did not do color swatches for all of the colors, but I will put the picture from Sephora's website in so you can see the swatches. It shows them on 3 different skin tones, and I only did 1 swatch. So the swatches on Sephora's website are probably pretty accurate, but that is like with, you know, multiple layers. Some of the colors don't come out that pigmented. So like this color, I swatched it on my hand. This is the very first one I swatched. And this is the swatch. So as you can see, it's like you can definitely see the pigmentation in the color, and you can also see the shine on it, but it's not a very thick pigmentation for that first layer, and it could be because I did not base my hand with anything before I swatched it. As a black woman, you know, when you want brighter colors to show up, for the most part, you probably should start with like a lighter base, like whether it's you use concealer, like a white, gray, whatever. So that could also be part of the reason why, but it still shows up pigmented. It's just not as pigmented for some of the darker colors. They come out, I guess, and maybe that's because it's a shimmery color. I don't know. But overall, I did think the product is really nice. It has a really nice application. When you put it on, the shadow kind of just really glides in. Whether you are kind of packing it in or if you're swiping it, the color looks absolutely gorgeous. I love the colors. They're stunning. Like, the colors are very stunning when you look at them. And you'll see in the tutorial, like demo, that I got caught up in the colors, so I used a lot of colors, but they look really, really good when you put them on. So I'm going to stop talking and jump right into the demo so you can see how it applies, how good they look, how pigmented they are. If you have any questions, though, as always, feel free to ask them below in the comment sections, and I'm going to stop talking and jump into that demo. Alright, so I'm starting off with this lower pink color. I do like to put the color kind of in the corner of my eye, kind of like in that crease section, as well as a little bit underneath the eye. I just feel like it gives it your eyeshadow look that extra bit of pop, especially when you're using like dramatic colors. At this point, I kind of don't know what I'm going to do, but I know I wanted to start with that pink because I absolutely love pink. So I said that maybe I'll just go with the pinkish purple thing. So I picked up the purple next that is kind of pink but kind of purple. It has like a really nice shimmery purple like glitter to it that really pops when the light hits it. So I put that all over the lower lid. And then what I'm going to do on that upper lid, once I've got that completed, is I'm going to add a darker purple to it just to give it a darker look up at top. So it's like still a purplish, pinkish, mauvish, whatever color. I don't know what color it is technically, but it's kind of got like a purpley, pinkish vibe to it with a lot of shimmer to it. So everything that I love. So I put that up above. And at this point, I'm not really blending anything out. I'm also not worried about keeping anything neat. I'm just kind of trying everything out. And so I decided to kind of close it out. I'll put that darker purple on the end. Just to give it like a lot of color. So as you can see with the colors, it just takes a little bit a dab to put it on. Even when you swipe it, it comes out pretty pigmented. So right now it looks kind of crazy, but it's really you know, bright. So I'm just kind of blurring out the edges so they don't look as harsh. And like I said, it's kind of just a messy look. I kind of like the way that makeup looks when it's not perfect. I am not a makeup artist. I'm just doing this stuff for fun. So I'm just kind of going with the flow. So I kind of just blend it out. And then I use a clean brush to blend all the colors together so that they have kind of a seamless transition and that they look really pretty. I'm like totally into this color scheme at this moment. Um, I'm looking at it and I was just like really loving it. But later I decided that I wanted to do, so I did do a little bit on my under eye. And so what I don't show on the video is when I put on some mascara. And then at that time I decided I should take that from just not just the crease, but I should do an under eye of eyeshadow altogether. So you won't see that on the video, but I can bring you a video on it at another time. Just let me know in the comments if that's something you're interested in. But basically, I just kind of went a little crazy with all the colors because they were so pretty. I just wanted you guys to see how gorgeous they are and how easy they apply. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you enjoyed this quick little demo. I hope that you like this video as well as subscribe to my channel. And please comment below with any other eyeshadow palettes that I should check out. Thanks, guys, and have a great day.